Here's how to refund the game on Steam. Let's get to it. So let's say I want to refund this game, which is Slay the Spire 2. I'm really not interested into it. So in order to refund, you need to go here on the top, click on this help button, then go over to Steam support. Now you need to make sure that the game that you're trying to refund, it should not be older than 14 days from the date of purchase. And if I press on the Slay the Spire 2 here, it's going to give me this playtime and the purchased date. Now on the bottom, you can describe what problem you're having with this product. I'm just going to click on this first one, and you're going to see this, I'd like to request a refund. Press on it. Then you've got these two options. You can refund it to UPI or you can refund to my Steam wallet. So I'm going to press on the Steam wallet option. This amount is going to be refunded to your Steam wallet. If you want to make sure that the purchase is refunded, it should be less than 2 hours of playtime, and the purchase date should no longer be 2 weeks from the date of purchase. So currently I'm inside that refund window. So I can just click on this refund to Steam wallet, choose a refund reason, my issue isn't listed here, and press on the submit request. And that's it. It's going to say this, you have a pending refund request for this product. They're going to give your credits to either your Steam wallet or back to the source where you paid from, based on the option you chose. And you do need to wait for like 24 hours at least in order to get a response from them. But make sure that your playtime should be less than 2 hours and the purchase date should be within the time frame. So within those 2 weeks from the date of purchase. And most of the times they do accept your refund request if it falls under those requirements. If you have got like 5 hours playtime, they can refund you. But I've tried before and it does not seem like if you have more than 2 hours playtime, they do not refund at that point. And yeah, that's it. That's how to refund the game on Steam. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Steam related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.